Hey, girlfriend. Well, first of all, you're here early, but I'm so glad you're here. As you can see, it is my wash day and I clearly have a lot going on. However, I have the Curly Chemistry Hydrating Herbal Hair Tea Rinse to the rescue. Let's get started. Okay, so first up, you want to add some water to an electric tea kettle just to really get that water hot and boiling. And the next thing you're going to do is add 1 tea bag of the herbal tea rinse to a glass measuring cup and pour that boiling water over the tea bag. And in most cases, you can do 2 cups like I'm doing here, or you can even use 3 cups if needed. So here is a fast forward video of the actual infusion that is taking place with all of the herbs into the water. And on average, I would say steep the tea between 5 to 7 minutes. Now at this point, the tea is red, which means it is officially activated. So go ahead, remove the tea bag and carefully place it into your refrigerator and let it cool for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now you may be wondering, like, okay, Tanya, what am I gonna do for 20-30 minutes? You already know. Pre-poo, girl. We could be pre-pooing, okay? So pre-pooing is a great way to kill time while your tea is cooling in the refrigerator, okay? So take advantage of it, and before you know it, 20 minutes done passed, and it's time for you to go ahead and use your hydrating herbal hair tea rinse. Okay, so at this point, the tea is completely done and we're gonna go ahead and add it to our applicator. You can use a spray bottle or a scalp applicator, which is what I'm using today. I'm gonna carefully add the tea to the scalp applicator and that's pretty much it. Super easy. Okay, so I'm officially in the shower and I am getting ready to rinse off my pre-poo, as you guys can see here. And then I'm going to go ahead and use a hydrating shampoo to remove any buildup, dirt, sweat, oil off of my scalp, because ideally you really don't want any of that on your hair or scalp when you are using the hydrating herbal hair tea rinse. Okay, so now for the main attraction. Now when it comes to this hair tea, you can use this 2 ways. Number one is exactly how I'm using it right now, directly on my scalp to help reduce excessive shedding, support hair growth, and just overall nourish your scalp. And I like the nozzle because I can target certain areas that I want to focus on. After the scalp application, I'm going to go ahead and do a really good massage, nothing too crazy, 2 or 3 minutes, and then afterwards I'm going to go ahead and rinse the tea completely from my hair. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and section my hair and begin to condition my hair. Now you can use any conditioner you want to use because the herbal hair tea rinse actually synergistically works with any conditioner. Now this is the second way you can use the hair tea rinse, by applying it over your conditioned hair, and it just makes your hair super juicy and soft. And a lot of that is because of the herbs within it, but definitely hibiscus naturally has organic acids within it that helps to smooth the cuticle. Now this side just has conditioner and water on it, and you can see it's a little challenging to get my fingers through it, but on the other side with the conditioner and the tea, look how easy my fingers just glides through my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and add the tea to the other side, and you can go ahead and see how smooth it is where it was before when it was just the water. So now I'm rinsing the conditioner and tea off of my hair, and that is it. I am completely done. That is how I literally seamlessly incorporate the hydrating herbal hair tea rinse into my wash day routine. My scalp looks amazing thanks to the herbs. I'm gonna go ahead and t-shirt dry my hair, and that's it. Once again, I wanted to make this super easy for you all while also getting the benefits as well, you know? So I will be launching and having this tea up on my website officially next week. So I'm super excited about that. Here is a quick behind the scene photo from the manufacturer actually making the tea and sifting it and putting it all together. And I want to also share that every herb within the tea is completely USDA organic, so you guys are getting a 100% organic product Okay. And yeah, so stay tuned. Once again, if you are not on the first to know list, the link is below. Get on that list, especially if you want to be the first to know when the tea is officially up and ready to be shipped out to you. Okay. I love you guys. I'll see you guys soon.